Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2017 Kawasaki J300. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and get a close look at this Kawasaki. It is HPI clear and it's only one form of keeper. It's also data tagged and it does come with a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. This does have ABS on it, so on the brakes it's ABS brakes on this. Let's get a look at all the plastics so you can see the condition of those. And this does have a side stand as well as the main stand. Just on the main stand, because I'm going to start this up for you afterwards so you can listen to it run. Obviously need that on the main stand to do that. With these being automatic, as soon as you put that side stand down it will cut the engine out for safety reasons. Obviously if that side stand is down it won't start, won't turn over. Let's get a look at the plastics on the side. You do have quite a lot of luggage space under the seat on these as well. It does have a courtesy light in there, which is good if it's dark when you're opening up there and you need to look inside. It does have the courtesy light. Not much to see really on the engine on these. Might see a little bit more around the other side. So we'll have a look over the top of the seat and get a close looking at the footwell. Everything looking good on the seat. Let's get looking at the footwell there. You got your little pull-out hanger on there, hang things on, and then you've got a little storage cupboard in there. Open that, it's got a 12 volt outlet there. So let's move over to the back, get a look at it from the back. We'll move around to the right hand side. Well, you can see a little bit of the engine in here. You can see the starter motor, but not much of it really. Let's get a good close look at the condition on this side as well. Your little foot pegs there for your passenger that fold out. So we'll finish off round at the front on this right hand side. Turn the wheel so we can see it better. See the mud guard. So what we'll do now, we'll go up, take a look at the dash and the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. So you've got your throttle, your brake, which that's your front brake. You've got your kill switch, your starter and your hazard lights on that side. And over on the other side, you've got your back brake, you've got your main beam, your lights, indicators and your horn. So we'll turn this on, get the miles off it, and it's done 4,461 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.